young superstar, we still there in the pipeline. We still a cook up, you know, and give us like 1 year. She will become celebrity because at the time this church music where she enter, the thing they pay them well. Pastors now don't they call and say, come sing Igbo music for us. Before I go introduce the person waiting for studio, make una begin get say we take the music of this superstar first. When we come back, we go continue. No touch your radio. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Shop day.
No, be shop. We'll be the same food. You understand? For A9 as Panda.
Okay.
That's the same place they call Autopass where they sell whatever. So yeah.
Now the same thing. If they sell as Panda,
they sell parts. So parts in a part of Turkey and a part of.
I tell you. So how far now? God don't come bless you. Not be praise song you say Uchechi.
No, you go
the will of God, Abi.
Yes.
The will of God.
God's will. Okay, so
I mean now I can't be Ogechi.
The time of God.
God's time is the best.
Okay, so basically, Uchechi na God's will.
Yes.
You know, God's will for English, but the Uchechi na be the Igbo one. Basically, it just refer to a life where we say, you know, they move from glory to glory, like be the same kind of life. And as I did like this, I know if you talk say yesterday for my life better past today.
Okay.
It means say from nothing, the step, it just they climb the ladder little by little by little. And funny enough now, because as at when they grew up, people they always talk say, this one say they no go become anything. They always they use and yab my mother that time say, you just born children for nothing. This one they no go amount to anything. So truly, we been carrying for mind that time say, who we know, who we get. So we don't get anybody. They also our team, ourselves, and everything. If we won't even build the first house we might build, we carry sand. Now we go find the sand. You know where they go find sand and everything take you down. No, not because. No.
Oh yeah, they talk.
You know, say there.
This your story one too long.
Now you know they direct this.
You know, say you suffer. We suffer. Even
okay, so basically,
you yourself suffer. Now don't they carry for Mali. Better snap on Juju in the next 2 years. You don't blow.
All right. So basically, Uchechi na God's will. I just na dimensional movement.
Okay, so na the experience from your growing up now push you enter music where you take the praise God. So
no, well, I no go say na really my experience, because if not just that experience alone, everybody go they sing song, because many people get story.
Now who knows they sing? All of us they sing.
But some they sing inside bathrooms, so they sing depending.
No, all of us they sing.
So basically for me, na call.
Okay, now
basically yes.
So this journalism now a waste of time.
Not be waste of time.
So at the end of the day,
because everything still aligned.
At the end of it, we don't get time. I know they rush you. At the end of the day, which one you go grab? Say yes, now this one you really want to do. Now journalism, I've been a music.
I no go come, or I no go fall into that particular trap to tell you say okay, now this one I go do, or now that one I go do.
Okay.
For now, maybe they see how the trajectory how it be.
Now grandma, you don't speak. You don't try to tell me say you don't know, you confused.
No, not beside confused. But I no go say, because I don't even see my tomorrow.
All right.
Or say that this thing I won't go big, but I know say this part of me they manifest.
Me,
matter.
Me, I don't see tomorrow because I know say tomorrow I no go come work. All right, now 5 years from now, where you see yourself for music?
For music level, I see myself more as a minister.
Minister?
Yes.
Of information?
No, wait, hold on. Now you say music level. So music level, like music minister path, like the path.
Okay.
You understand? And now they see myself as I see myself as person will be say go way her own life. You understand? And her songs, you know, go inspire people, go bring people out, go give people joy, and not just joy, but go make them get belief both in themselves and in God. basically.
So show you say you don't blue. Somebody we ask say who sing this song. Somebody said I'm Mercy Chinwo. Expensive. I don't know if I'm correct, but it's Mercy Chinwo. Then another person is Sandra Osagi. You don't blow that big musician in the call. All right, Uchechi. And Ogechi, they interview you now.
God of mercy.
All right, so you've been there choir before?
Yes. When I've been the come up, yes, I've been there choir, yes.
All right, so now in just one sentence, if you give me 2 sentences, I'd slap you.
Okay.
Who you go appreciate for this level where you did now? In one sentence.
Just one person.
Who you go, I don't know who you go appreciate for the level where God don't put you now. Simple.
Well, I go appreciate God.
Only God.
Then I go appreciate my mom.
Your mother?
Yes.
You still they cook the food, bah?
No, she don't they cook the food.
Well, for God, they go job.
No, at all. She don't they cook the food. She come out see. My mom.
No, talk to me. You no get time.
See, you tell me.
This interview go bring them. You want spoil them now. You bring them come back on Monday. But at this point, make we wish you Uchechi, Ogechi. They wish you happy birthday. Today now her birthday. Everybody congratulations.
Wave your head.
All right. Today now Uchechi birthday, and she can't come. Ogechi can interview him. So make una they expect Uchechi and Ogechi for one single very soon. All right, and I saw the level be, and I saw it be. Uche one Yocha. Everybody they congratulate. They never. I just test them whether they know. True. All our fans know. Yeah, clap for them.
Thank you, Lagos, Nigeria. Thank you for all our.
All right, so una like her music. If she don't put down for streaming, we go tell una and all the social media. You don't. Call them quick.
Okay, quick. So it dey iTunes, it dey all those streaming.
Just go download them.
Yes, Audio Mac and all that. And if you want to see the visuals, just go on top YouTube. UN-TV.
UN-TV. All right.
The visual. There.
All right. Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
All right, ladies and gentlemen.
Ogechi
for you.
Ogechi, thank you.